Okay, we look at this question, tricky question. Let a and b be non-zero numbers such that a plus b is greater than or equal to 0. Show that a over b squared plus b over a squared is greater than or equal to 1 over a plus 1 over b. Okay, so the first step here is what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring everything to one side. And that's greater than or equal to 0. Now these are all fractions, okay? And I'm going to try and combine the fractions by getting a common denominator. So that my common denominator is going to be a squared, b squared, because b squared will go into it, a squared will go into it, a will go into it, and b will go into it, okay? So what's the a multiplied by? Well, this a is multiplied by, well, if you divide b squared into that, you're left over a squared. This b is multiplied by, if you divide a squared into this, you'll be left with b squared. Minus 1 times, well, if you divide a into this, you're left with a b squared. And this one is multiplied by, we divide b into this, you're left with a squared b greater or equal to 0. Okay, so I'm going to tidy this up. A by a squared is a cubed, plus b by b squared is b cubed, minus ab squared minus a squared b, all over ab to b squared. I just wrote that a little bit different. That's ab to b squared greater or equal to 0. Now if you look at this part of it, you can see that this is the sum of two cubes. So the formula for that is, so this is something you should have remembered, okay? It can be broken down as x plus y, x squared minus xy plus y squared. So if you break a cubed plus b cubed down, you get a plus b, a squared minus ab plus b squared. So I can replace that there, okay? So I'm going to put that as a plus b bracket a squared minus ab plus b squared. Now if I look at these two, what factorizing could be done here? Well, I could take out minus ab. And if I take out minus ab, I'll be left with b plus a all over ab to b squared. Now looking at this again, okay, what's common between the two things? Well, that can be wrote as a plus b, okay, because b plus a is the same as a plus b, okay, there's no minuses involved. So if I factorize out the a plus b, I'd be left with this part minus ab all over ab to b squared. So we'll continue the process over here, okay? So we have a plus b. Now, adding those bits together, you get a squared minus 2ab plus b squared all over ab to b squared. Now, looking at this, this is guide number. So this is rough work here again. So I'm going to work out what this is. You do guide number in this. This is what you'll actually get. You get a minus b, a minus b. In fact, this is what you get, a minus b to b squared. So I'm going to replace that in there, okay? If a plus b, a minus b to b squared all over ab squared. Now, is that greater than or equal to 0? Yes, it is, because they told me up in this part that a plus b was greater than 0, and that's that there. So this is definitely positive. A minus b to b squared, and because it's squared, that's also positive. And ab to b squared, when anything squared, is also positive. So all it is positive. So therefore, this is true. It's greater than or equal to 0.